How to load a TSV file into a Pandas DataFrame? I'm new to Python and Pandas. I'm trying to get a TSV file loaded into a Pandas DataFrame. This is what I'm trying and the error I'm getting.
The read_CSV function does what you want. If you have a header, you can pass header equals 0. Note prior 17.0, pd.deframe.from_CSV was used. It is now deprecated and the .from_CSV documentation link redirects to the page for pd read_CSV.
As of 17.0 from_CSV is discouraged. Use pd.read_CSV fath, step equals \t, or pd.read_table fath.
Use pandas.read_table file path. The default separator is tab.
Try this. You actually need to fix the sep parameter.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.